My wife's E70 just got these error messages for brake lamp and also reverse lamp. I hope it's just a coincidence that both of them went at the same time. I already had problem with it was the same error message, but it was on my E60, and BMW of North America had a recall and dealership fixed it for free, but it was like I think 3 years ago. So let me just open the compartment where the bulbs are located, and we're gonna inspect wires. And if it's just the bulbs, then it's gonna be very easy fix. And also I'm gonna use this opportunity to film how replace those bulbs. To get to BMW E70's taillight bulbs, you have to open this carpet compartment, just pull it out. And also on this side there is a cover that covers fuses, so you have to kind of have it like propped over here. And then you have to reach to this plastic mounting plate. This has 3 lamps, 3 bulbs. This is your brake light. I believe like somewhere in the middle is a reverse lamp, and this is just the tail light. Let me just put my camera on a tripod, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it, and then we'll inspect if it's just bulbs, or we're gonna look and see if I have any problem with ground wires. I remember on my E60 circuit board and connector were melted, as you can see on this clip right now, and looks like this one is okay. Yeah, looks like I don't have any issues like my E60 used to have. To remove E70's mounting plate for bulbs, you have to press 3 plastic tabs. One is over here, another one is right there, and one in the middle. But looks like mine is never been replaced. I mean, my bulbs never been replaced, because there is still a rubber tab that's glued to this piece over here, so I have to remove this one. Without this tab being removed, I will not be able to remove my mounting plate. And using 2 hands, I'm gonna move these tabs to the sides and the middle one to the bottom, and it should just pop out. Okay, let's just inspect these bulbs. I can tell that brake lamp or brake bulb is black, it's shot. And also reverse lamp, I'm not sure how it's called, but that wire that's like inside the bulb, it's all the way like on the bottom of the bulb. I'm not sure if you guys gonna be able to see it with my camera trying to focus, but yeah, so these are 2 are done. So I hope it's just coincidence. I'm gonna replace these bulbs right now, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, on the driver's side, and then we'll inspect for the melting wires and ground. Okay, looks like they are working. One more test with everything back. Both of them are working. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, because it's a good practice to change both sides when the bulbs go out. And I did not found any melting parts like I had on my E60, and the wires look fine. The only thing that I noticed that this ground plate, this 10mm nut that holds it, has been removed. Like I see the paint is not like supposed to be, and looks like it's probably been already taken care of. I'm not sure if E70 had a recall for ground wire for taillights, but looks like somebody was doing something to it. So yeah, and this is it. This is how you do bulbs on LCI E70, we have 2011 BMW X5M, and I believe all LCI E70s should be totally the same. I'm not sure about pre-LCI cars. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, I'll see you guys in the next video.